everyone. Everyone is aware now that YouTube is starting giving tax or giving the deductions for the tax. And it's like 24% of our income, of our revenue, YouTube will deduct from that. So I'm gonna show you small tips on how to get the 15% tax only instead of 24% or 30%.
So here we have to search Google AdSense login. I'm so sorry, it's a bit blurred. I don't have nice cam. Then we have to log in for our Google AdSense account. Enter your password. There we go. From up, we can see the manage tax info. So we have to click it there. Then it will show us on this page, add tax info. Press it again. It will ask again our password to make it sure that it is our account. Then here, United States tax info, we have to check the individual, then click next. Then it will ask, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? We have to check the no. It will give an option, select the W8 tax form type, so we have to check the W-8BAN. Then click next. So here we have the tax treaty in between US and your own country. So we can claim it for us to get the discount of our taxes. Our tax will be reduced based on the tax percentage from our own country. Just continue fill up the form and input whatever information that asked there. So we have to put our full name that's shown also in our tax form when we get our TIN number. From this arrow to choose which country you are. If you are, for example, from Philippines, then you have to choose Philippines. So from here you will see the foreign PIN and US TIN or SSN. So we have to fill up from the first part. From foreign PIN, we have to input our TIN number. just put your PIN number on top, and the second one, that's for US. So for us as expats or non-US, we don't need to fill up that one. Here it will ask your address. So just type your permanent address there, or mailing address, it will ask there. By the way, the one for mailing address which has PO box, it's not allowed yet. So you have to provide your permanent address, or you can use the address that you use for the Google Adsense when you apply for your PIN. Then we can check the mailing address is same as permanent residence address. Then click next. So guys, don't be in hurry. Anyway, we don't have any limitation for the time here. There is no time allotment when you fill out this form. So we have to make sure about the information we put. You can double check as much as you need, unless you are totally sure that the input is really correct. Here, this is the tax treaty part. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? We have to claim the tax treaty, so we have to click yes, so that we can get a reduced tax. Here, there is special rates and conditions. Here we have to check all the boxes. Services to be Adsense, motion picture and TV, YouTube, Google Play, and other copyright YouTube and Google Play. So this is for the Adsense. Here we have to choose the 0% for us not to pay tax for global Adsense. And by the way, we have to put our country here on top. Sorry, I forgot it. Actually, I got confused also because it's my first time and I have to make it sure that I will not do something wrong in my account. Here we have to put our country, from which country we are. When you just click on this part, it shows the article. Anyway, there is no any option there, but just click the article in two parts. That's for the services of Adsense, motion, and the last one. So just choose 15%, so that we will get 15% instead of 30. We choose there 30 actually, although the image shows that it's 24% only. So again, here I double check the information. Make sure about your TIN number, your full name, your address, I'm so sorry guys, I know that it really takes time for me because I really wanted to make it sure. So in this part, just 0%, then down is 15%, and the last one is 15% again, and then all the left sides you have to check all the articles, which is there is no another option. Yeah, the one that I got, the red one, is the article because I didn't know that I have to choose the article. So we cannot proceed to the next step unless we will check this one. Yeah, we have to choose the article, so we have to input there the article, which it's already provided there. So here we go. Ready for the next step? Oh, I missed something, so I didn't check from the tax treaty, so I have to claim my country. So we have to check on that box and put the country, your own country, then click next if everything is okay. So here it will give your summarized information, so you can double check again here. All these forms we can open it, but for me I didn't open it anymore. That's the information that we input there. So in the box, I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. So we have to check it there and click next. Here, this is in the 5th step, which is certification. So we have to input our full name. Just type your full name there. Then, are you the person listed in the signature section? So So if you are the owner of that channel, you can check yes, I am the person listed in the signature section and I'm completing this form on my own behalf. Then click next again. This is the last part. Activities and services performed in US and affidavit. Activities and services performed in the US as the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section perform any activities and services for Google within US. So I check here no because I don't have anything in US actually. Then you have to check the box. I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US and that any labor or capital, including facilities or other tools used to provide such services, will be physically located outside the US. So, are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments, or an existing payments profile that has previously received payments? So, if it's first time for you to take salary in YouTube, then we have to check on the first box. I am providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments. But if you got your salary or this is your second time or more taking the salary from YouTube, you can check the second one, which is I am providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments. For me, I check the first one. I am providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments since this is my first time. So again, I double check my information that I input from the top. And I make it sure that my percentage, especially it shows as 0%, 15%, and 15%. And then if everything is okay and you are sure about the information, then you can click next. Submit. Here we go, I got approved. And then after you get the approval, if it shows approved and it claim, it's all green, highlighted as green, then we can check our email. YouTube will send us email also that our tax information is successful or it was approved.
Hopefully you learn on how to get a 15% tax. So don't forget to share, comment, any questions I can answer you if I know. So please don't forget, subscribe my channel and press the bell button again. Thank you so much!